Welcome, friends. Let's move toward the office management, the course offered by the International College of Technical Education. Okay, let's move. First, we're going to discuss about the office management. That what is the office management and the role of office manager? An office manager or the officer collect and receive all the process of communication, all the records, all the information which help the other group of people. These office activities are being organized and controlled by the responsible person who has to be perform the work with efficiency and economically. He employs the personnels who would work with him or her in a proper way. Let's move towards the function of the modern office or officer. The first most important function is receiving information. To receive all the information and collect all the information and maintain record. After creating record, the process of arranging information are the responsibility of the office manager. And after that, computerize them and analyze them. And after analyzing, he should be maintain the record. And after maintaining record, he or she should be to create the communication with other officers or and other employee of the office. And after that, the information and this communication linked by him. So that staffing, leadership, training, coordination, these all are the functions of office manager. And he also maintain the records which going to be office income and outgoing expenses, and already organize all the meetings with staff and between the head one. And he also supervise every activity in the office. Let's move toward the efficiencies of office management or office manager. Yes, the office manager must be able to plan every office work and or must be able to organize the work in the good direction. Good officers should have a business experience and also have a good communication skills, which includes not even just language, but it's also included the body language. He must be a good organizer, sound decision making, all the main efficiency of office manager. And he is a common man. Yeah, well said, to be a common man, like to serve as a common person and to communicate with other employee as a common man, not as a head. He should have a sincere with his work and have an understanding and feelings for other and able to understand our feelings of every employee. His self-confident like means to confident on himself is very important and key role for the good management. He should not get angry with any situation or with any person in the office at any time because the importance of office. Let's move and see what is the importance of an office. Actually, the office is a brain of any business organization. It is acting as a data bank. Actually, the facts and figures have been supplied to the management of the better decision. and the office management and office age management brings the coordination between employees. Channel of communications are also helped by him, and all these are the importance of an office for a business. That office is an informational system about anything and any activity. Thank you.